Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Avid ingest settings and metadata safely. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To backup Avid ingest settings and metadata, first, open your Avid Media Composer application. Navigate to the project you wish to backup. In the project window, go to the Settings tab. Locate and select Ingest Settings from the list. Right-click on the ingest settings you want to backup. Choose the Export option from the context menu. Select a location on your computer to save the exported file. Give the file a descriptive name for easy identification. Click Save to complete the export process. Next, ensure your metadata is also backed up. In the same project window, navigate to the Bin section. Select the bin containing the media with the metadata you want to backup. Right-click on the bin and select Export Bin. Choose a destination to save the bin file. Again, use a descriptive name for easier retrieval. Click Save to finalize the export of the bin. Now, you have a backup of both your ingest settings and metadata. Store these files in a safe location to protect against data loss. Consider utilizing cloud storage or an external hard drive for added security. Regular backups help ensure that your workflow remains uninterrupted. This concludes the quick tutorial on how to backup Avid ingest settings and metadata safely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.